Anything you wanna say?
Annyeonghaseyo.
Huwag kayo masyado lumapit. Hindi kayo makita. May bus!
We're currently on our way to the...
And what are you gonna do there? Exactly.
We're like gonna go
on a trip.
We're going on a
trip.
We're going to sleep there, you know.
Yes.
So, well, do you have tent?
Call backpack.
We don't have our towels.
Yes.
We're gonna lie on our towels.
So, you just sleep on.
He's making his towel look like a scarf.
Come on, is it hot?
Abu Sayyaf. ML. Nabulol ako.
It's so hot. Even though it rained yesterday, it's so hot.
Because I know I
See, we have our towels. And Ate Sunny's bringing the food.
Yeah, I have it. How about you, VN? What do you have there?
Towel.
Yeah, we can see that, obviously.
So,
Oh, no.
my shorts, my urine,
What?
my hair. Siya ba tayo dun sa may ahas?
Kuya, anything you wanna say?
Nothing, just Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Nothing nga yun eh.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Genki desu ka?
Hi, genki desu.
So, how this?
Ano dapat ang reply doon? Hi, genki desu.
Hi.
Wala lang.
Pagod na ako maglakad.
Ipapasan tayo niyo sa akin lahat.
Oo. Sige lang.
Palik-palitan. Every 1 minute. Now.
Ay, may malaking bird. Bird? May malaking bird?
Ay, hindi, bat. Oh, crap. Bat siya. Yay, I found it. I wanna cry now. Isang time, one time I was walking here, and there were these girls.
Mm-hmm.
They were wearing these summer outfits, and I was going home. And it was like, why are they wearing summer outfits? Then they held the camera. And I was like, and they noticed me, and they walked in front of me, and they were like, can we take your picture? And then I'm thinking, why would you want to take my picture?
Yeah.
And then they said, oh no, we don't want to take your picture. We want you to take our picture. It was awkward.
In front of your house?
No, not in front of our house, just around here.
Katawa naman sila.
And I was thinking, am I a monkey or something? Why do you need to take my picture? I'm not part of the scenery.
Mukha ka daw special.
Ito ang special tree dito.
Close up moment,
Malago
Ju.
pa tayo. 4 minutes natin nila.
Ambitious.
Downhill.
4 minutes? 4 minutes.
Pagpauwi, gulong na lang tayo.
Bye, bye.
I-N-U-T-E girl.
Ano yun?
4 minutes.
Ish! Ninininit lang.
Take control.
Hala.
Incoming.
Who's this girl? Wearing a maroon short.
One time, was it in New Jersey? Alam mo yun, yung Totally Kyle?
Na.
Yung sa Nickelodeon, yung mga Totally Kyle ng book show.
Oh.
Sa Amanda show. Sa
Okay,
sabi
kwento
niya
mo.
parang, ano yun, ang joke niya, ay, not actually joke, a story, sabi niya, one time, I met my cousin in New Jersey, and then I knocked on the door, and then I knocked, and then he didn't answer. And then I knocked again, and then he got mad at me. Tapos when I got home, I told my mother what my cousin did in New Jersey. And my mother was like, you don't have a cousin in New Jersey. Yeah. Wala lang. Yun lang siya. Ang cute kasi, kilala mo si yung guy na basta yung guy na kasama ni Amanda doon. Si Josh.
Not familiar with that.
Alam mo yung, ano yung mga Nickelodeon show na alam mo?
Wala.
Basta,
That's Legenda Sweet. Suwit!
Ano yun? Ano yung tao na yun na ginagawa niya?
Excuse me.
Maybe crossing the...
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, may billboard na Welcome to Crown Peak, naalala mo yun?
Yeah, why?
Nabaksakan ng typhoon since 2 years ago.
2 years ago, like Milenio?
Yeah.
Was it Milenio?
Mm.
Do you remember Volta?
Di ba bawat UP school, merong oble.
Ablation.
Tapos, gusto namin
Excuse me,
friend,
ito yung anchor
Silver.
class ng US Navy.
And sabi niya,
Oh! This one?
Yeah.
When did they use it?
Actually, for US Navy, you know, seeing the icon.
Interesting.
Yep.
Bilisan natin. Ah!
Hi. So this man.
So Disney. When you were in Japan, were you using Japanese to communicate with people?
Sukoshi wakarimasu.
Doon. Ayun ang may tao na nga eh.
hindi, pero dito ang daanan dito.
Yeah.
Asan?
O, tara. Doon.
Orcom. So welcome. Nakalock lang siya kasi sarado na.
Ay, ano na sarado?
Kahapon.
So, paano gagawin natin? Hindi ko pa makilala eh.
Pwede mo mag-stop muna tayo. Tingnan natin kung pwede dyan na tayo magbayad.
Vian, you look worried.
I'm stressed.
Stressed out.
Isn't that what you're not supposed to do on vacation? Stress out?
Ay, bumili ka ba? Just thinking about cold and stress. Thinking about the weather, I'm stressed. Thinking about global warming.
Somebody singing intoxication.
Intoxication a day. Pikachu a day.
Yeah.
Bedot table.
SmartNet Philippines.
Pikachu si Junsu.
Because, di ba,
Meron
mahilig
nagka-cosplay
sila
siya.
sa Don Quixote.
Nag-cosplay? Sino?
Sa Don Quixote, they sell cosplay stuff.
Tapos?
Tapos bumili sila nun. Tapos pinagtutulog nila. Parang yung Hamtaro jeans ni, si Zay. Si daw may Pikachu.
Actually, hindi Hamtaro PJ si Zayjo. Yung kay Changmin niya daw. At Changmin
Basta yun, ay, sorry. Ayun, Pikachu yung kay Jun. Sabi niya, that's the main one.
Saan yung Don Quixote?
Sa Japan, Don Quixote.
Ah, yung may... Yung ano ni Yuno, yung na-LSS siya.
Oo.
Post na ako.
Kuya!
Doon kami magsaswimming. There's VR, Marky, Chrissy, leftmost part, and that's Kuya Renz. We call him Kuya. Yun si Vian, pakiot.
Uy, hindi dyan. Ah, dyan nga, okay.
Welcome. Doza.
Pwede kong may orcom.
Bakit? Ano lang yan?
They'll be charged 100.
100.
50 pesos per person.
Yeah, okay.
Gusto may bato? Okay, kami na lang sa inyo. Ano ba yan? Oh, magsisimon po.
Hindi ko alam. Ah, hindi po. Sabi po sa amin, pwede po mag-swimming dito na magbabayad na ng 400.
Opo, nag-call kami kagabi.
Babayad daw sila.
Tumawag po. Opo. Tsaka nagpunta din. Opo. Sa Tiara.
Kain niyo po.
Apa. Yeah. Tama, no? Hindi ako naling magbilang.
Annyeong!
Saan ba kayo dito sa housing?